The Celtics are interested in Tyreke Evans from the Grizzlies. It's one thing to be interested. It's another thing entirely to be able to pull it off. How could this deal come together?
Easy for the Celtics because they have so many great assets. Take a look at how this one breaks down with both teams over the salary cap, Randy. See how their payrolls are north of 100. Either of them are in the tax. And you come down, the Grizzlies' terrible season, really struggling, may as well try to turn an asset like Evans into something. Look at that. He only makes $3.3 million, and he's on the last year of his deal, right?
Yeah, that jumped off the screen to me.
Different thing over here. This is a thing of beauty. 3 stacked players, their best players at big numbers, and then the meat of their roster here is all young players who really know what they're doing. And then look below the line, below these players, all these draft picks Danny Ainge still has. So what you would see is Evans for a draft pick. Now, I'll pick the Celtics pick this year, and if you try it, it won't work because the Celtics are over the cap. They need to give something up. But they have another asset. They have below here an exception, and they can take this exception. It's a disabled player exception, and they could put Evans into this exception. Now you see how this deal works. They're able to take Evans' money into the disabled player exception for Hayward. When Hayward was hurt, they can now replace Hayward with Evans a little bit later. They pick up a first-round pick over in Memphis. The big debate is going to be around which of these picks they should get because the Grizzlies may want to say, give me my draft pick back. We don't want your pick, Celtics. It's not good enough. We'd prefer the Memphis pick that we already gave you. We want that one back. That's same deal. It works. That's where this negotiation might take place.
The $8.4 million in the exception, is that everything? Is all of that going to Memphis or only the 3.3?
3.3 creates a new exception for Memphis. Okay. The other $5 million of that goes to Monroe, Greg Monroe, to pay him as a free agent. So look at that. Look at Danny Ainge doing his magic.
Look at all the money coming together.